In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in Notion. Notion doesn't technically use traditional folders, but any page can act like one by holding other pages inside it. This simple setup gives you the same tidy structure you'd expect from folders, right in the sidebar. I'll walk you through creating that container page, giving it a clear folder look, and adding pages to it in 2 easy ways. Start by creating a regular page. You can do this from the left sidebar or the New Page button. Either way works. As soon as the blank page opens, give it a clear, descriptive name so you'll recognize it at a glance. Think of this name as your folder label. Next, let's make it look like a folder. At the top, click to add an icon, then choose a folder icon or a folder style emoji. This small visual cue makes your structure instantly recognizable, especially when you're scanning the sidebar. That's all it takes to convert a normal page into a folder-style container. Now, let's add pages inside it using the / command. Open your new page, click into the body, and type / then page. Select the page option. A new subpage is created right inside your folder. Give that subpage a name and repeat as needed. Each subpage you create here will show up nested under your folder in the left sidebar, so you can expand or collapse the group as your workspace grows. This approach is great when you're building a structure from scratch and want everything to live neatly under one roof. You can also add pages by dragging them into your folder from the left pane. If you already have pages elsewhere, just click and drag a page from the sidebar and drop it onto your folder page. You'll see it nest underneath when you let go. Watch the indentation to confirm it's inside, not just placed above or below. Dragging is perfect for reorganizing existing content without recreating anything. Once your pages are nested, you can collapse the folder to keep your sidebar clean and expand it when you're ready to dive in. Rename items anytime for clarity, and keep your icon consistent for quick visual scanning. And there you go. Create a page, name it, add a folder icon, then add pages with the / command or by dragging them in the sidebar. That's all you need to build a clear, folder-like structure in Notion.